Iran Air Force has received its first two Su-35Se fighter jets from Russia, and there are reports that Iran has expanded the order for the Su-35Se from 25 to 50 aircraft. Several Russian accounts have started spreading propaganda that Indian-supplied Pinaka and ATAGS have underperformed in Armenian conditions, and this comes amid the growing shift in Armenia's defense procurement from Russian systems to Indian-made systems. Bengaluru-based Newspace Research and Technologies developed ARKA high-altitude pseudo-satellite is preparing for a 7-day flight endurance capability demonstration. Midhani Group has announced a significant breakthrough in the development of Inconel 718, a high-end superalloy critical for the development of Aero engines. India and Cambodia have started CINBAX joint military exercise in Pune to share best practices, enhance tactical skills in counter-terror operations, and improve joint operational capabilities. US-based Collins Aerospace has announced plans to invest $200 million in research and development and production facilities in India. That includes establishment of a new manufacturing site in Bengaluru for the production of advanced aerostructures, interiors and avionics. France has made a game-changer proposal to India that has the potential to revolutionize India's aviation industry. French officials have offered co-design, co-development and manufacturing of an advanced aircraft engine in partnership with Indian entities, with full technology transfer, advanced materials development, and significant intellectual proprietary rights that will allow India to adapt and export the technology. At the heart of this proposal is the transfer of expertise in manufacturing single crystal turbine blades, a critical component of high-performance aero engines, which is one of the most closely guarded secrets in the aviation industry. India's Armoured Vehicles Nigam Ltd has announced plans to form a joint venture with Russian firms Rosbaron Export and High Precision Systems, aimed at the development and manufacturing of an Indian light tank based on the Russian Sprut light tank, that will compete against the indigenous Zorawa light tank. Armoured Vehicles Nigam Ltd along with India Optel Ltd will hold a majority stake in the joint venture, ensuring that Indian stakeholders maintain significant control over the project. With a combined requirement of nearly 400 light utility helicopters, HAL is ready with a revolutionary production strategy that includes shift from conventional manufacturing to a more collaborative and decentralized approach. Modular components will be manufactured by Indian suppliers and micro, small and medium enterprises, and these partners will produce individual modules, which will then be delivered to HAL for final assembly, that will scale up manufacturing quickly, and will also support a robust ecosystem of domestic suppliers. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.